welcome back to Storytime. Today we're talking about Earth Day. But before we start with our story time, let's sing our hello song, which goes like this. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Sing along with me, okay? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hi, everybody. Now that we sang our hello song, we're going to get started with our story time about Earth Day. Earth Day is a day that we celebrate on April 22nd to celebrate our planet Earth. Planet Earth is where we all live together. And on this special day, we think about how we can make it cleaner, happier, and healthier. So we're going to learn a little bit more about Earth Day. And the first thing we're going to do is sing a song called Hooray for Earth Day. So sing along with me, okay? Hooray for Earth Day, April 22nd, a day for us to celebrate the earth. Hooray for Earth Day, April 22nd, let's praise the world for all that it's worth. Earth has air we all need for breathing. Earth has trees that give us fruit to eat. Earth has grass that cattle use for grazing. Earth has sunlight to give us light and heat. Earth has oceans with lots and lots of water. Water for the people and water for the fish. Earth has mountains that add a lot of beauty. Earth has everything that we could ever wish. Hooray for Earth Day, April 22nd, a day for us to recognize its worth. Hooray for Earth Day, April 22nd, let's count the ways that we can help the earth. Plant lots of trees, lots of pretty flowers. Place all your garbage in a bag or can. Don't waste water, don't waste energy. Learn to recycle, that's a helpful plan. Hooray for Earth Day! And what are some of the things that we can do to make it cleaner, happier, and healthier? Plant lots of trees and pretty flowers. Place your garbage in a bag or can. Don't waste water like when you're brushing your teeth. Don't waste energy, so when you leave a room, you can turn off the lights. And learn to recycle. That's something that you can learn with your grown-ups. That's a helpful plan. Now that we sang our song, we're going to read our first book. And this one's called Fancy Nancy, Every Day is Earth Day. We celebrate once a year, but really every day is Earth Day because that is where we live and we should be taking care of it. Fancy Nancy, Every Day is Earth Day by Jane O'Connor. I do not like the color green very much. You can tell by my crayons. The green one almost looks new. Fancy Nancy does not like the color green. But I adore being green. Being green means taking care of our planet. Miss Glass asks, who can tell us about Earth Day? I wave my hand and say, it's like a holiday for our planet. It's like a birthday party for our planet. That's right, says Miss Glass, but I like to think that every day is Earth Day. Our class discusses rules for being green. Then we write the rules down, so they're working out a plan to celebrate Earth Day. At home, I am shocked. I see that my family needs to be much greener. My dad is about to drive to the supermarket. Dad, I say, the green rule is less than a mile, then bike in style. So if we are going someplace that is close to us, instead of driving our car, we can just walk or take our bicycles. At the checkout line, the guy asks my dad if we want paper or plastic bags. I say to my dad, please take note. Always bring a tote. That's something else we can do. We can take a tote to the grocery store instead of using plastic bags. Later that night, it gets cold. My mom wants to turn up the heat. No, Mom, I say, it's better to wear a sweater. In the morning, I'd stand outside of the bathroom. Very soon I shout, Dad, don't waste water. Get clean, but stay green. At school, we each make a poster. Robert says, we are like superheroes. We are protecting planet Earth. That night, I see my mom's computer is on. Right away, I turn it off. My mom comes into the room. She sees the blank screen. Why did you do that? She asks. I tell her she is wasting energy. I was writing something for work, my mom says. I just went to get my glasses. Now I lost everything I wrote. I have to start all over. She was mad. But how was I to know? I am just protecting my planet. I tell my sister not to run water while she brushes her teeth. I remind my parents to turn off lights in empty rooms. Before bed, I go into my sister's room. I start to turn off her lamp. Oh no, my mom says. Your sister is afraid of the dark. She likes the light on. Soon my sister is asleep. Now she does not need the light on. I tiptoe into her room and turn off the light. In the middle of the night, I wake up. I hear my sister crying. What is wrong? Your sister woke up and got scared, Dad says. She was alone in the dark. Did you turn off her lamp? Yes, I say. I am sorry. I didn't think she would wake up. I start crying too. The next morning, my parents say, it is important to be green and we will try harder, but you must not be so bossy and you must be flexible. So not stubborn. At school, I perk up. Miss Glass adores my poster. My green crayon does not look new anymore. My family really is greener now. Tonight at dinner, we use candles, not light bulbs. We use cloth napkins, not paper ones. Guess what? Being green can also be very fancy. Here's what Nancy learned. Less than a mile, then bike in style. Please take note. Always bring a tote. In cold weather, keep the room temperature low. It's better to wear a sweater. Don't waste water, get clean, but stay green. And that was Fancy Nancy, every day is Earth Day. And we learned some ways to be cleaner and greener, like riding a bike or walking if we're close by, taking a tote to the grocery store, not wasting water when we're in the shower or brushing our teeth, turning off lights when we leave a room, and using a sweater instead of turning up the heat whenever we can. So those are the ways that Fancy Nancy says that we can help our planet Earth. Now that we read our book, we're going to sing a song about picking up trash. So whenever we're out on the streets, we do not throw the trash wherever. We find a garbage bag or we keep it and throw it away at home. So this song is called See the Litter, Pick It Up. If you see a piece of trash, you can throw it in the trash can where it belongs. And we're going to see the litter and put it in the trash can. See the litter, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. See the litter, pick it up. We are not litter bugs. See the litter, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. See the litter, pick it up. We are not litter bugs. Litter bugs are people who throw their trash wherever they want and don't care about how our streets look or how our planet feels with trash everywhere. And we are not litter bugs, so we will throw our trash in the can where it belongs, even in our houses. And now that we sang the song, we have a rhyme called I Plant a Little Seed. Another good thing that we can do for our planet is plant lots of trees and lots of pretty flowers. And we do that by planting a seed. So we're going to plant a seed together. I plant a little seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down come the raindrops, soft and slow. Up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. So for the seed, we plant it in the ground, and then the seed needs sun, big and round. And then the seed needs rain or water, coming down soft and slow. And then after that, up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. Especially if we start planting now. And now we're going to read our last book about planting a tiny seed. And this one you get to move along with the book, so follow along at home, okay? This is called Plant the Tiny Seed by Christie Matheson. And we're going to watch a seed grow from a tiny, tiny thing like this into, let's see. There's magic in this tiny seed. Press it down and count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Plant another, then one more. Press them down, down, and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wiggle your fingers to add some water. Let's wiggle, wiggle, wiggle to add some water because seeds need water. That's enough. Next, rub the sun to make it hotter. We're going to rub, rub, rub the sun because our little seed needs some heat. Tap the cloud and wish for rain. I wish for rain. Clap to bring the sun again. We're going to clap and bring the sun back again. And you can see that our seeds are starting to grow just with a little bit of heat and rain. Now let's bring the sun back again. Ah, there it is. Find the worm. Look for its tail. Can you see any worms? Look for a tail, and there it is. Shoo away the hungry snail. It's trying to eat our plant. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Tap the little bud good night. Good night, little bud. Sleep tight. Guess what you see in the morning light? What do you think we'll see in the morning? Right now it's dark, it's night, there's stars. But what will we see when the morning light? Wow! Now point to the purple flower. Point to the purple flower. Look how big our plant is getting. It is a purple flower. That's what we planted. Bzzz. There's some bees around it. Tap the cloud again. Tap, tap, tap. It's another rain shower. It's raining again. And we have another beautiful flower now. This one's red and this one's purple and this one is just growing in. Touch the blossoms gently, please. We are very gentle with flowers. We do not pull on them. We don't squeeze them. We are very gentle. Ooh, now jiggle the plants to scatter the seeds. We're going to jiggle, jiggle, jiggle the plants so seeds can go everywhere. The purple flower needs a clip. Swipe across the stem. Snip, snip, snip. Close your eyes and wave your hands in the air. Oh, look, there's magic everywhere. We have flowers growing beautifully. We have little ones growing over here, butterflies, birds, bees, and it is magical. Look at all those colors. The end. That was Plant the Tiny Seed by Christie Matheson. Our last book of our story time. So happy Earth Day, friends. Hope you celebrate by thinking of ways to make our planet Earth cleaner, happier, and healthier. Let's sing our goodbye song before we leave, which goes like this. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye, and I'll see you next week for another story time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Bye bye, friends. I'll see you next week.